Hello, my name is Saurabh and in today's video we are going to talk about interactions. The term interaction has a very specific meaning when talking about experiments. As mentioned in the previous video, I am going to add a term to our prediction model and the interaction term is that one. So please watch the previous videos before proceeding further. It will help you understand better and the link is given in the description. Now, some people take a while to understand what interactions are. I am going to give you a very simple example to start with. So assume your clothes are covered with dirt and oil, and we know that if you wash your clothes with cold water, it is going to take a while to clean them. Much longer if you wash them with hot water. So the temperature of the water has a significant effect on the time taken to clean your clothes. Now consider the case when washing your clothes with cold water but using soap. If you use soap, it will reduce the time taken to clean your clothes than if you did not use soap. Am I correct? So it is clear when using cold water and adding soap, you are going to reduce the time to clean your clothes. Now consider what might happen if you use hot water and soap. The time taken to clean your clothes with hot water and soap is greatly reduced, isn't it? We say there is an interaction between soap and the temperature of the water. The effect of warm water enhances the effect of soap. Conversely, we can say that the effect of soap is enhanced by using warm water. We may say that this interaction works in our favor because it helps us reach our objective faster. All that interaction means is the effect of one factor depends on the level of the another factor. In this example, the effect of soap is different depending on whether we are using cold water or hot water. Interactions are also symmetrical. The soap's effect is enhanced by warm water and also the warm water's effect is enhanced by soap. So symmetry means that if soap interacts with the water temperature, then we know the water temperature factor also interacts with the soap factor. There are examples where interactions actually work against us and cancel each other out. In the upcoming video, I will show some actual numbers to look at through example to understand interactions more thoroughly. In this kind of equations, you can see the highlighted term is an additional term which denotes the interaction effect. Thank you for watching.